asuntoskeittiö Lentävän laakso.
Yeah, but they just take one of these because they were sadly replaced. What was yours again?
Porrassalmenkuja 6.
Yes, Porrassalmenkuja 6 staircase D. There are 6 staircases here, but we don't need more than one. It's here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, down for Finland. So with a good wooden cab, but still.
Yeah.
Too unnecessary. 7 floors, replaced in 2010. Must have been built in the 1970s originally. Longest near maybe. The serial number is 11363242. The capacity is 6 persons, 450 grams. And it will be inspected in 2023. And this is also where the Tampere light rail line is being extended to by 2024. But first to Santalahti in 2023. Back to the ground floor. You can press it. And there's no door close button, of course.
Yeah.
Too simple.
Inspected by Kone and maintained by Kone.
But of course this cab is nice.
Yeah.
But still, no reason for us to film on more than one.
Yeah.
Because otherwise it is too boring. Maybe this is about the same type of wood that was before the replacement, or about the same shade of it, or nuance. That's it.
That's it.